we do not provide employers or approved LMIAs. And if ever may mag-alok sa inyo niyan at babayaran nyo ng mahal, that's illegal. That will affect your future in Canada. Kitchen helpers, housekeepers, caregiver, healthcare worker.
Paano yung wala sa Pilipinas na gusto nilang kunin dito na merong employer? Anong payo mo ron?
Sila nga yung qualified kasi hindi pwedeng mag-apply ang mga tourist ng work permit from here. Ilang years ang binibigay sa low wage. Bagong update kasi ngayon, dati kasi 1 to 2 years, minsan 3 years, eligible na yung employer mo or nagkaroon na siya dati ng LMIA.
Ano pang updates natin kung meron pa?
Applicants na over 40 na merong business experience, meron namang naipon. I've been doing entrepreneur immigration for quite some time now. This has become very popular, especially for those who were interested dati sa Startup Visa program. But the alternative are provincial nominee entrepreneur programs.
Ang question, sino ang qualified dyan sa PNP Entrepreneurship Pathway?
Kung qualified ka kung meron kang business experience or, executive management experience or just plain management experience in the last 10 years. Examples, bakery, tutoring center, specialty clothing stores.
Tama ba ako na kailangan brick and mortar yung negosyo ron in a sense na physical, hindi yung pwedeng online?
Hindi pwedeng online. You need to be present in the community.